YouTube, what's good? It's your boy, your auntie's firstborn, your big cousin D Spade. We bring you some fresh content. About to do another reaction video. About to react to the sincere Cypherz. You already know we reacted to Loaded Luck so far, J Mills and Suge. So far we got Lux leading the way. He setting it off and he holding the fort, man. He holding the fort, man. So let's see what's up with it. Let's see what's up. Like, share, subscribe to my motherfucking channel, man. A lot of y'all be watching and not tuned in. I need y'all to tune in, tap in with me, man. But let's get it.
Yeah.
Okay, we got Shayna Ashley. Okay.
Shayna Ashley, my first lady. Let's get it.
Oh, not for the ladies.
Look, yeah. Look. Soon as I sat down, the table is set. Cuisine only prep for the team, constant chef. I heard you only eat if you able to get the check. Turn the table on these niggas, the cause worth the effect. Targets at best, ain't right, no Michelles. They go low, I go high like Michelle. Yeah, they be talking like we ain't got it. Whole clip, give them half like a deposit. If I'm honest, I peep how they mad, we don't move in silence. Go get a bag, go that trip and resort to violence. I'm a boss bitch, fuck if a nigga ain't on my line. I be busy, might get a call back if he fine. C'est la vie, charge it, pay the fee. I've been giving out the game so long, I made it free. I've been cooking like a soul food, that's what a soul do. Funny how you don't know them, but niggas know you. It ain't what you saying, it's how you say it. You couldn't measure my words, you gotta weigh it. Foundation is only strong as you lay it. That's a lesson for you niggas that should get back to the basics. Something like that.
Okay, for the ladies. Give it up for the ladies. Turn it up. Shout to, yeah. Shout, oh damn, that shit is over quick. Fuck it. Let's keep it going. Shout to Shayna. I give that shit a 7 out of 10 too. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, we got Shine.
Battle rap ain't what it seemed, cause they got 5 missing like the submarine. Take over K-Shine when you break.
Yeah. Niggas said they got 5 missing like the submarine. Nigga, what? Hold up. I'm bringing it back.
The submarine.
I'm bringing it back. This nigga, what?
Battle rap ain't what it seemed, cause they got 5 missing like the submarine. Take over K-Shine when you break.
This nigga Shine. Yeah. That's the fuck we was waiting on. Yeah, Shine. Yeah. Let that nigga go, bro. What the fuck y'all niggas doing?
Battle rap ain't what it seemed, cause they got 5 missing like the submarine. Take over K-Shine when you break over. I had to stand on business with the gate closer. That dynasty blueprint, I'm like K-Hover. Gave all them ducks confidence, like makeovers. It ain't really lieutenant, cause they rank lower. I hope they listening to tell them you should play soldier. Play toaster, aim focus, get a lane roasted. I do a hit without a word, I might be Beethoven. A hole in a $1.50, it's the same token. If they said it's like power, then they ain't joking. Had an iffy in a Mecca with the king token. Only Western I know got a great holster. 4-4 bulldog, put it on my bucket list. Up in it, we call this shit the track, cause we stuck in it. Put it to the cage where they cut shit. Punishment, gotta see that judge win oven mitts. Get used to that crime noise, nigga, we be clocking shit. You ain't on that time, boy. Now I got a Stillmatic, shit is like a Nas drop. You always had my lowest peak when I had a high point. Sitting up in 5 points, judge on that time, boy. Now I got a Stillmatic, shit is like a Nas drop. You always had my lowest peak when I had a high point. Sitting up in 5 points, judge seen it one way. This lawyer had like 5 points. Nigga, it's the slammer till we in the slammer. Hammer till they hit the hammer. You don't see they killing shit? Don't slip and get banana. To the richest, pole in the biscuit like Mike Telly. You know it's a thing. I done turn a code that's encrypted to a whole nother sentence that rent money. Go in and get it in my back like the backwoods. Bustin' like the snacks good. Talking like they bullies. We gon' up it, they gon' act good. Crackhead dealers and the junkies, I'm from that hood. With 3 dimes and a cigarette, I get a Mac. See my bro get buried, I said so long. Man, it hit me heavy, they say go strong. Won't y'all pray for me if it go wrong? But if it go wrong, I'm still reppin'. Look for me, use your brain, that's the real weapon. His heart be filled with pain and he's still stressing. And he might just go insane if they still test him. They get real reckless. Look, K about his bread, K about the leg. Free all of my savages, take them out the feds. Pull up where you posted, lays out in red. Shoot it like a joke, throw behind the head. Get your crew shot with a ooh-wah, pick him up. I ain't standing on no stage for no little buck. The world know my slogan, nigga.
Damn, that was K-Shine right there, boy. Listen. Damn, son. Yo, that nigga got it, bro. He got it. I ain't gonna hold y'all niggas. That might be the one. That might have been the one, boy. God damn. That boy said I knew I was at my lowest when I went and got a what? 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 Bruh. Nigga. That was hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I fucked with it. Damn, what I'm giving that definitely was the best verse out of all that shit so far. Damn. I'm gonna have to give that shit a damn. Fuck it. I'm gonna give that nigga the 10 out of 10. We giving K-Shine the golden 10, bro. That shit was hard, cuz. Damn. He snapped. He snapped, bro. Well, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments down below on the Big Cuz D Spade. And make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, follow the channel if you're new, if you haven't already. Stay tuned the next time I drop fresh content, man. We working, man. We grinding. We're going to finish the year out strong. And I got something special for y'all. About to hit 100 views, 100 subscribers on one of these platforms. I think it's the 2 right here where you watching this. You get videos like this, and I can't post this and do videos like this over there on my Twitch. But subscribe over there as well because you don't want to miss nothing. Because lately I'm tapped into something. We can talk about this in another video. Like and subscribe to the channel, man. If you wanna know what's next, man, for your boy, man. As always, you stay dangerous, you hear?